That's right, Lewis and Elizabeth. Two teachers apparently plan to teach math by using as examples the beating and killing of slaves. Quite a homework assignment a teacher at PS 59 wanted to give fourth graders last Thursday. The math worksheet, titled Slavery Word Problems, shocked the student teacher told to photocopy it.
I'm just like, wow, this is really inappropriate.
Question 1. In a slave ship, there can be 3,799 slaves. One day, the slaves took over the ship. 1,897 are dead. How many slaves are alive? Question 2. One slave got whipped 5 times a day. How many times did he get whipped in a month, 31 days? Another slave got whipped 9 times a day. How many times did he get whipped in a month? How many times did the 2 slaves get whipped together in 1 month?
It shouldn't be a homework assignment, and I did not want to make copies of this.
The teacher who had told Harding to copy the assignment was in a meeting, so Harding copied another worksheet and left the teacher a note explaining the slave assignment made her uncomfortable. Then Harding turned to a professor at NYU, where she is a graduate student.
My first thought was, I don't believe it.
He contacted us and we showed the worksheet to the principal of PS 59. Her reaction? Quote, I am appalled by this.